Hello?
How you doing?
Fine.
Enjoying your last week? I can't wait to see you. 6 days now, right?
Yeah?
Well, it's great catching up. Can I speak to Cody?
Why? He didn't watch the tape.
Yes.
You're not even biting me. You're not even biting me. You're just nibbling and licking.
I'm calling for Reader's Digest with a fantastic offer for Cody.
No, you're not. That even little girl from the tape.
Are you tired
I'm
now?
gonna just leave a message for him.
You tired? No.
Yeah.
What are you going to do with your gums? Don't argue with me. Your little gums. Look at that. Look at them go. Look at them go.
Crazy, don't you?
Of course I do. The last thing you need now is a screw up like me. I'm gonna leave.
Wait. Cody.
You're not going to do nothing.
That calls out on business. You'll think of something.
Testicular cancer. You don't ask questions.
I knew you'd understand.
You're actually tickling me. It's not even hurting.
Be careful.
The only thing that hurts me is your nails.
I know it.
I don't know what you're talking about. Sometimes the shit just needs to be pushed through the fence.
Look at your hand go.
Now that you've switched to Taco Bell breakfast, what do you eat?
This is bacon, egg, and cheese taco. It's warm and it's fluffy. I'm from the
Don't even try humping my hand.
My name's Olivia, and I'm a breakfast defender.
Oh.